Now, to make a good pizza, you need to spread tomato sauce on the pizza. If you want, you can make this sauce yourself, but now I will use the one that I bought.
What would be a pizza without cheese, right? The cheese actually gives a better taste to any pizza. The cheese I will be putting is mozzarella. For this, we will need to grate the cheese and then put it on the pizza, spreading well over it so it gets all covered.
When we put the cheese, it is good to put another ingredient, like ham or other types of meat. By doing that, the pizza will be more tasty.
Now I need to chop the rocket. Then, on the top of it all, you can add basil and rocket.
And then, when you have put on all the toppings, put it in the stove.
Now the pizza is ready. There is just one thing before eating it, the drinks. You can drink what you prefer, water, soda, etc. Just don't be thirsty.
Pizza!
Is it good?